Best airdrop ever. So in this video you are going to see Immortal Airdrop that can potentially make you money. I already joined in that airdrop and I'm going to participate as much efficiently as possible. If you want, you can do with me. Okay. So first, what you need to do, you need to definitely check out description box for done it. Okay, our video is coming, student video. Just watch tutorial properly, and you will be able to join as much efficiently as possible. So earn money, enjoy money. Immortal Rising to Airdrop. Okay, how do you participate? I will show you today. Okay, this airdrop has been published, since long time, but today I'm just going to show you new way how do you participate in here. So first you need to come into our Telegram channel. Inside of the description box you will probably found our Telegram channel, or you can check our you can hover over with our channel and you can get our Telegram channel so easily. So first you need to get the link here, main link, and then you need to paste it into your any of browser. Okay, then you need to just create account. So how do you sign up? Simply click on this sign in. Okay, there is no need to connect your wallet. Just you need to go through, continue with Google, continue with immutable passport. Okay, you need to go through, continue with immutable passport. So you can ask me, how do I get it? Okay, just go through it, and then it will be like your immutable account is created. So you can say that how do I create it? Just go through it, and here you will get Gmail. Okay, if you're Apple user you can use it too. So I just click on the Gmail for creating our immutable account. So just go through it. Okay, you don't need to put password, username, anything like that. Just auto default way it will be connected. Now we are here, I've already done a couple of tasks, therefore our point is showing it up. So you need to connect. Okay, so first where we will go is the go section. So here is go section in the here. Simply click on this go. So if I click on this go section, it will be bring me inside of the task mission. So here is couple of tasks I done. I'm just showing you those tasks, those I done. So this task, easy task, while you do sign up, you will get 100 ORP. While you install they will give you the link. I already did it, completed. Okay, download and play IR2. So how do you download it? So they will give you link. Just I'm showing you demonstrated purpose. So here if you see, they will give you the Play Store and App Store where you can download their immutable apps. Just go through same passport, immutable passport. Anyhow, so then go again in the mission section. Bring your one friends, refer to friends, connect immutable passport. If I click on this connect, so confirm I get it. Okay, I connected, therefore I get it. Join the official Telegram, connect your Telegram, then done it. Okay, so I don't want to show you now, you can do it. I'm hoping if you face problem you can just let me know. Okay, so it's going to be massive. Couple of tasks has added, not so much, and you need to every day check up for getting tokens. Okay, you need to do everyday checkup. They have checkup system, you can check it up. Okay, I will put those link in our Telegram channel, so therefore I will encourage you to do join inside of the Telegram for getting free guide. Okay, so anyhow, that's it. ORB, their token is going to be IMT. Okay, their token is going to be IMT. They like they are behaved right like giant airdrop. Okay, because of they don't need to add any wallet like MetaMask. They just, you need to go through your Gmail and their wallet would be automatically created. Okay, so simple as that. If you still face any problem, you can let me know. You can DM me for getting slightly help. So probably this video got you valuable information. So if that, please do consider to subscribe.